Have you ever been puzzled by why your custom web components aren't behaving as expected? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the question of whether custom element attributes can be CamelCased. I totally get it. You create a custom element, set up your attributes, and then they just don't work as you expect. You're not alone in this confusion. Many developers face similar issues when working with custom elements. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why is my custom element attribute not being set when I use CamelCase?" They shared their code and mentioned that using CamelCase attribute didn't work, but using lowercase worked just fine. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this? The issue lies in how HTML attributes are processed. When you define attributes in HTML, they are always converted to lowercase. This means that CamelCase attributes won't be recognized as intended. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you understand how to properly use attributes in your custom elements. To understand why the attribute is not being set when using CamelCase, the user should first recognize that HTML attributes are case insensitive. This means that when the user writes CamelCase attribute in HTML, it is interpreted as lowercase. Next, the user should know that when defining custom attributes in JavaScript, they must be accessed using the CamelCase format. However, in HTML, they should be written in all lowercase. To fix this issue, the user can modify the observed attributes array in the custom element class. They should include the lowercase version of the attribute name. Finally, the user should ensure that when setting the attribute in HTML, they use the lowercase version. This will allow the attribute to be recognized and set correctly. Fun fact, did you know that HTML is case insensitive? That's why all attributes are converted to lowercase. It's a quirk of the language that can trip up even experienced developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that custom attributes in HTML should follow specific naming conventions. According to the HTML specification, custom data attributes must start with data, contain no uppercase letters, and be XML compatible. Here's the tip I promised. Always remember to use lowercase for your custom element attributes in HTML. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Now you know why CamelCase attributes don't work in HTML and how to properly set them up. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into custom elements.